Good morning, everyone. Welcome on our midterm project interview presentation. We are so excited to share our findings with you. Thank you for taking the time to join us. We will be discussing the technology used by one of the teachers who teach at Mantiga Tasikmalaya, Mrs. Nick. But before we begin, I would like to introduce the member of my team first. There is me, Muhammad Difa Anugrah. I will discuss about design and the purpose, and Nazwaris Kiara Shadi, the challenges, Rida Maulida Nur recommendation, Sarah Azariah and Saidah Indah, technology use, and Agnia Nabila will discuss about the reason and purpose also. Next, for the first time, will be present by Sarah, please.
Okay, for the first technology use is WordWall. WordWall is a web-based educational game that is used to create fun quiz-based games. In WordWall, teachers can create various types of educational games with various themes ranging from quiz, matchup, find the match, and others. So for the function of WordWall is create learning media such as matchmaking, pairing, anagrams, rubric, randomization, word search, and grouping. So WordWall can make students who were previously not interested in learning English become interested because learning English using WordWall is more fun and exciting.
Okay, for the technology use, second of application is Azahara CBT. Azahara CBT is a computer-based exam or CBT application which has several advantages compared to normal exam. This application allows creating, managing, and administering exam digitally, as well as providing convenience in assessing and analyzing exam results. Azahara CBT function include first, can be used by students to take exam using cell phone. Second, provides an application for online desktop that looks the application during the exam. Third, there are key features that reduce cheating by students during exam and make it easier for examiner to monitor students.
Okay, for the purpose and reason of using WordWall is the purpose, learning, research, and assignment tool. WordWall can be used as a fun and engaging learning research and also can be used to create and evaluate learning outcomes. It makes it easier for teachers to measure student understanding after learning in a fun way. And next is vocabulary learning and reading skills. WordWall can help students learn vocabulary and help students improve their reading skills because it contains a lot of new vocabulary, so their reading skills will also develop. And the last one is engagement and motivation. WordWall can increase student engagement and boost student motivation because there are many types for teachers to choose from. So students will not feel bored, and it's also very fun because they can compete with each other while using the word. Next.
And next, the purpose and the reason of Azahara CBT. The purpose is assessment tool. Automate the assessment process, reducing the manual workload for teachers. Provide quick result, allowing both students and teachers to identify areas for improvement. The primary purpose of Azahara CBT is to streamline the assessment process for educators. This app empowers teachers to easily create and upload exam questions, making the examination process more efficient. And the reason is these apps allow teachers to easily create and upload exam questions. And second, this app comes with features such as screen lock to prevent cheating. This innovative feature helps to prevent cheating, ensure the integrity of the examination process. Thank you.
Okay, for the challenges, the first, some students may struggle with operating application or understanding their function. The second, students don't understand about the instruction or how should they do. The third, sometimes not all students have a dictionary apps on their phones, especially 10th grade students. They usually have difficulties and don't know that Google has a translator feature, so they still rely on the apps.
Next, their recommendation. First, provide tutorials how to effectively use these technologies to ensure all students can participate. They ensure that students have access to devices and internet connections at school, so they can complete assignment and assessment. And next, they implement system for students to provide feedback on their experiences with the technologies, allowing for continuous improvement of the teaching methods.
Okay, thank you. That's all for our group. If you have any question, feel free to ask. You can raise your hand or just typing in the chat.
I think it's clear.
Okay, thank you.
I have no questions.
I'm sorry, your microphone is unmuted. Bruce will microphone unmute. Is there any question? Guys, is there any question? Or I just should close this presentation?
I have no question.
Okay, thank you. Is there any question from Charisma? Okay. Thank you for all the participants who has joined us in this presentation. So the conclusion is use technology in learning English, especially both for students or teacher. For teacher, it make it easier and become a peer use for teaching methods, and for the students increase their excitement for learning English. Maybe that's all for our group. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.